Welcome to Simply Fun's How to Play Plundering Times, a game where players raid the various islands of numbers for the shiniest treasure. You can play Plundering Times with 2 to 4 players ages 8 and up. Plundering Times is great for developing multiplication and addition skills, as players creatively place their dragon pirates so that the values multiplied and added equate as closely as possible to the number on the island without going over. Plundering Times also helps develop memory skills, as each player needs to think about the best place to hide their treasure chests and then remember where they placed them while making multiple calculations throughout the game. Place the 4 treasure islands in the play area, making sure the white dragon icons are in the same orientation across all islands. For basic gameplay, pull out the 10 smaller island number cards with the teal backs. Shuffle them and randomly select 4 cards to be placed in numerical order on each island, covering the red X in the middle. Give each player a matching color set of dragon pirates, treasure chests, and a captain board. Have each player take their 14 lower valued dragon pirates, numbered 2 to 6, and place them number side down anywhere on their captain board. Place the remaining dragon pirates back in the box. This video covers basic gameplay. If you want to try the advanced game, gameplay will be the same, but you will use all the island number cards and all the dragons for more complex multiplication. Next, have each player randomly choose 6 of their dragon pirates and stand them up on their captain board so the other players cannot see their number values. Each island has 4 circular spaces. Place one of your treasure chests onto one of these spaces on each island with the gem side face down. Each island should have 1 treasure chest from every player. Remember where you placed your gems. At the end of the game, you may be able to pick up another player's treasure chest instead of your lower valued ones. Place the bonus gem tokens to the side for now, using the chart below. Place any remaining tokens back in the box. The first player to name a famous captain starts the game. Captains try to get the closest answer to the island numbers by placing 2 dragon pirates on each island and multiplying their number values and possibly adding to the result depending on which side you place your dragon pirates. The closer your answer is to the number on the island, without going over, the earlier you get to pick a treasure chest on that island and the opportunity to plunder your opponent's most valuable gems. Get an exact answer and earn a bonus gem. The captain who has plundered the most gems wins. Pairing dragon pirates. On your turn, choose any one of the island values you want to try to solve. Next, select one of your standing dragon pirates from your captain board and place it on one of the rowboats alongside that island so that all players can see its value. If this is your first dragon pirate on an island, you may choose any free side that does not yet have a placed dragon. By placing it, you've claimed that side of the island, and no other players may place dragon pirates on that side of the island. When placing your second dragon pirate on an island, you must place it next to your first, in the remaining empty rowboat. You can also choose to place single dragon pirates on different islands before going back to place a second. You can never have more than 2 of your dragon pirates on an island. Remember, the goal is to multiply the values on your 2 dragon pirates and add any dragon icons to produce an answer that equals or comes closest to the number on the island without going over. Using dragon icons. Each island has dragon icons on 3 of its sides that help a player get closer to or equal the island number by adding the number of icons to their pair of dragon pirates. The dragon icons are not optional and must be added to your answer. Remember this when placing and pairing your dragon pirates to avoid going over the island number. 1 dragon icon adds 1 to your multiplied total. 2 dragon icons adds 2 to your multiplied total. 3 dragon icons adds 3 to your multiplied total. No dragon icons adds nothing to your multiplied total. After you've placed a dragon pirate on an island, select one of your face-down dragons and stand it up so that you have 6 dragon pirates standing in front of you again. Now it's the next player's turn. Gameplay proceeds clockwise. End of game. Once all players have placed 2 dragons on each island, it is time to start scoring. Score the islands in numerical order. Multiply each player's pair of dragon pirates on each island and add any additional dragon pirate icons on that same side. This is the player's answer and determines the order in which to pick treasure chests from that island. If needed, flip over your captain board to help check your multiplication using the times table. The player whose dragon pirate pair equals the island number or comes closest to it picks their treasure chest first, Then the player with the next closest answer picks, and so on. If some players have the same answer, the player who placed the dragon pirate with the higher single number value picks earlier. If the tie persists, the higher of the second number value of the pair decides the order. If your answer is greater than the island number, you must withdraw your 2 dragon pirates, and you will not get to pick any treasure chests from this island. Remember, you can pick any color treasure chest from an island, so consider picking another player's treasure if you think it might contain more gems. After picking, reveal the hidden gems to all the players and keep this treasure chest in front of you. This gem's value is now yours. If your answer equals the island number exactly, you receive a bonus gem token. Multiplication with the help of dragon icons can count as getting an exact answer. Bonus gem tokens add 1 extra gem to your total. Multiple players can receive a bonus gem token per island, and each player can earn up to a total of 4 bonus gem tokens. When all 4 islands have been scored, the players count up their gems. The player with the most gems wins. If there is a tie, the tied players become joint winners. Use your savvy multiplication skills to navigate your crew to amass the greatest hoard when you play Simply Fun's Plundering Times.